The Supreme Court has scheduled the final hearing for the Shiv Sena and NCP symbol disputes on January 21, 2026 now. The hearing is related to a petition filed by Shiv Sena (UBT) challenging the Election Commission's decision. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met with blast victims at LNJP Hospital and vowed justice for the perpetrators, assuring that those responsible will not be spared. A 28-year-old man in Bengaluru attempted to rape a disabled woman at home. Locals apprehended him, beat him after alerting each other to the commotion. A former husband has spoken about his divorce from Shaheen Shahid, who is suspected in an interstate terror module. Authorities seized explosives and arrested 8 individuals. RJD leader Tejashwi Yadav claims a clean sweep for Mahagathbandhan in Bihar Assembly elections, citing exit polls that were released before the final phase of polling ended. Al-Falah University issued a statement addressing recent allegations, confirming the detention of 2 doctors who denied involvement in terror probe. One of Toyota's 7-seaters has gotten cheaper by ₹10.85 lakh, a significant drop in price. Yamaha has launched the XSR 155 in India with 4 color options. Priced at ₹50 lakh ex-showroom, it's based on the MT15 and R15 platforms and weighs just 137 kilograms. SoftBank's decision to sell its entire $58 billion stake in Nvidia has sparked concerns about an AI bubble. Despite the company's claims it wants to take advantage of gains and invest elsewhere. Container Corporation of India, Concor, has declared a ₹2.60 dividend for its shareholders, with record and payment dates yet to be announced. Bollywood star Govinda was hospitalized after feeling unwell on Tuesday. A friend revealed the truth behind his wife Sunita Ahuja's absence when he fainted and was taken to hospital. Veteran Bollywood actor Dharmendra has an estimated net worth of ₹335 crore from properties, restaurants, luxury cars, and other assets accumulated over his 6-decade career. Actor Chiranjeevi is set to star in the upcoming film Spirit, starring Bahubali. Actor Prabhas as an angry young police officer opposite a mafia syndicate. Indian singer Palak Muchal entered the Guinness Book of World Records by funding over 3,800 heart surgeries, adding to her musical achievements. Dharmendra bought rights to Zanjeer from Salim Khan for ₹2,500, but had to quit due to family obligations. Police searched the homes of Tamil Nadu ministers K.N. Nehru and Embil Mahesh Poamoji in Tiruchi, after receiving a threatening bomb attack email, but it was later confirmed as a hoax. Director Sandeep Reddy Vanga has denied comparisons between Prabhas's upcoming film, Spirit, and Chiranjeevi's movie. He clarified the details about his new project with Prabhas. New York City Mayor-elect Zoran Mamdani plans to arrest Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu if he visits the city on a campaign promise made during his mayoral campaign. The Trump administration's proposed H-1B visa changes face criticism from tech firms over operational disruption, manipulation risks, and economic impact concerns. Pakistan's army threatens nuclear saber rattling towards India amidst chaos for Afghanistan, sparking concerns about regional stability. A Turkish military C-130 cargo plane crashed in Georgia, killing all 20 personnel aboard. While en route from Azerbaijan to Turkey, US President Donald Trump defends H-1B visa program, stating America must attract global talent as it lacks certain skills domestically. The Mumbai Cricket Association is discussing hosting Royal Challengers Bangalore's home matches in Pune during the IPL, but a confirmation has not been made yet. The India-South Africa test in Guwahati features revised timings with play starting 30 minutes. Earlier, due to early sunset, a unique adjustment includes tea before lunch for the match. South Africa captain Lizelle Lee Woolward is ICC Women's Player of the Month for October after leading her team to the World Cup final with exceptional leadership. Left-arm Twika Muthusamy has been awarded the ICC Men's Player of the Month for October 2025, beating Noman Ali and Rashid Khan in competition. Now, the second OD between Pakistan and Sri Lanka will be played at Rawalpindi Cricket Stadium on November 13th, following the hosts' 6-run win in the series opener. Ravindra Jadeja may lead RR and KL Rahul might captain KKR as franchises prepare for IPL 2026's mega auction, potentially bringing significant leadership changes to the league. Informed Dhruv Jurel will play in India's opening test against South Africa, driven by his recent strong performances, including 2 centuries for India A. Afghanistan cricketer Rashid Khan confirms marriage to a woman from a charity event photo, stating she is his wife whom he married in August.